Looks like someone's hungry. Good thing your convenience store is nearby and ready to serve any hungry customer. With the Passport X solution, meals can be easily added to any transaction. Let's see how. Tap on the meal option and the requested combo. Default options will be selected. Tap them to deselect them. Some items have preparation options. Tap the default option to deselect it, then tap the desired option to select it instead. Tap OK to confirm.
No, I want fries.
Whoops, someone changed his mind. Tap the selected option to deselect it, then tap the desired option to select it instead. Once all options have been selected, tap OK to add the meal to the transaction. To add a comment to the meal, tap the meal to select it, and then tap Add Comment. Type in the comment and press OK. Complete the transaction by approving the order and entering payment details. The order number is printed on the receipt and sent directly to the kitchen so they can start working on the order. With Passport X, you can easily and efficiently operate your business and keep customers satisfied. Passport X by Gilbarco Veeder-Root.